This is Kashmiri chilies which I have roasted and ground. Homemade Kashmiri chili powder. You just saw me roasting Kashmiri chilies in the microwave oven. Just saw almost 1 cup ground in a jiffy. So usually you will see the store-bought ones are red in color. I don't know how you get that red color. Because I've roasted, maybe the color is slightly changed. But I didn't roast it too dark as well. It just mildly so that grinding becomes easier in the mixer. The roasting also increases the shelf life because it arrests the worm infestation. So you can use it for a longer period. So I got this much for 2 cups of dry Kashmiri chilies. I make all the spices at home like dhania powder, jeera powder, pepper powder, methi powder. Everything I make at home in this way. Like I roast it in the microwave oven using the combi mode. That is grill cum microwave combination. And then I grind it in the mixer. This way it can be used at any part of cooking. Most of our recipes we use all the spice powders. Beginning stage of cooking you may have to add if it is raw, but once it is roasted and ground you can add it at the end of the recipe also. So that is an advantage. So you can see I got this one whole bottle of Kashmiri chili powder.